एक बहुत पहले मैंने एक बहुत खूबसूरत फ़िल्म देखी थी मॉनसून वेडिंग और उसमें एक चेहरा आया था और उसके बाद वो चेहरा आज मैं कहूँगा कि रियलिटी शोज़ के अलावा एक रियलिटी फ़िल्मों का दौर चढ़ा है, तो वो चेहरा रियलिटी फ़िल्में और शोज़ का चेहरा बन गया। मेरे साथ है तिलोत्तमा शोम एंड तिलोत्तमा आपको जब मैंने पता चला कि आप पाताल लोक में आई वाज़ लाइक वो येस वी वांटेड हर यू नो आई डोंट नो देयर वाज़ अ डेजा वू फीलिंग कि पता नहीं तिलोत्तमा इसका पार्ट थी कि नहीं दैट्स द पावर ऑफ योर कैरेक्टर्स यू हैव प्लेड मतलब दिस show automatically I don't know when I heard your name it's like okay we needed is there a backstory so I'm sure audience will also love it क्योंकि पता नहीं आपके connection मुझे पहले से नजर आ रहा है कि हाथीराम की कहानी में कहीं एक ऐसा strong चेहरा चाहिए था and you just fitted the bill so how excited are you about Patal Lok
Thank you so much for your words. Means a lot, and it meant a lot for me to be a part of a show that is as well constructed as Patal Lok. With the Patal Lok, even if it hadn't done well, what we call broken the internet, the way it did, I still would have wanted to be a part of the show because I haven't seen such a well-written show in my life. Like it really was something else. And then for me to read season 2 and the few things that I felt, if I had to really look at season 1 critically, that in season 2, I mean, even those barriers Sudeep has crossed and so beautifully. And I think one of the things for me was the way he's written the women characters in Patal Lok too, which is a very male-dominated world, a world that we all celebrated as fans because it was a different kind of man. You know, it was a different kind of construct of masculinity with Hathiram. You know, so we all enjoyed that. But season 2, when I read, I just felt that, and I was so curious about how season 1 was written that I actually asked Sudeep हमारी shoot के बाद, if you can share with me the script of season 1, because it was such a pleasure to see a script like that get translated on screen, and I'm such a fan that I wanted to go back and read season 1 का script, you know.
जी तो तिलोत्तमा आपसे भी जानना चाहूँगा नागालैंड को अब तक हमने पर्दे पर नहीं देखा आई थिंक पहली बार देखने को मिलेंगे वहाँ के लोग वहाँ की कल्चर वहाँ की पूरी खूबसूरती तो आप दोनों के कैसा था नागालैंड में शूट करना
बहुत बढ़िया बहुत ही बढ़िया मतलब वहाँ के लोग एक तो स्पेशली द यूथ ऑफ नागालैंड आर सो politically aware, you know, they have such a sense of pride about Nagaland, its beauty, its culture, its music, its food. So when you meet people from Nagaland, like the people we met, a generalization I don't want to do, the people we met was so warm to go out of their way to make you explore the beauty of their place, you know. That sense of pride without it becoming arrogant, you know. It's really, and it's so beautiful, that place. And it's nice that it's not so accessible, because I think if it was very easily accessible, it wouldn't remain beautiful.
Yes.
Because human beings have a tendency to destroy things they like. But I think it is just slightly inaccessible, and that makes it even more beautiful, you know.
I think आपकी सीरीज के बाद लोग वहाँ जाना शुरू कर देंगे
It really is a beautiful place, really like beautiful people, beautiful, like you can go to a forest and get lost, you know. You can go, like even when we were shooting on a road, you know, इनका shot चल रहा था, I would be on the side picking flowers, dried flowers, because I was astounded by the beauty of just the everyday beauty of Nagaland, you know.
आई एम श्योर अभी पाताल लोक 2 के बाद लोग नागालैंड जाना शुरू कर देंगे कहानी में ढेर सारे सस्पेंस ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स है वो आप देखिएगा शो में फिलहाल तिलोत्तमा बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया एंड ऑल द बेस्ट यू बोथ रॉक वी हैव लव्ड योर वर्क इन ऑल आई थिंक ऑल मीडियम्स सो वी वांट टू सी यू रॉकिंग मोर एंड पाताल लोक 2 के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट
Thank you so much.
Thank you.